Chapter 5, The First Quest for Hearts. Going by the written rules here on this page. This is for hearts. This is for the quest for hearts. Now, these are little side missions, and there are different characters Link will meet. I have cleared the board so that we can kind of just focus on the individual cards. Now, of course, this naturally, because it's a board game, video games are different. Board game is going to be randomized. These cards will be randomized. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to show you what happens here. Now, when you get two attracting cards, in the case of like 5 or 6 of hearts, 7, 8 of hearts, one thing needs another thing. So if you are on the, let's say the 5 of hearts, you need to get to the 6 of hearts. If you're on the 6, you need to get to 5. 8 to 7, 7 to 8, 9 to 10, 10 to 9, Jack to Queen, Queen to Jack, and so on. In the case here, we're going to show you, or I'm going to show you the 2, 3, and 4. You will need to complete 3 cards to get a random amount of hearts. Now say Link comes upon, this is the 2 of hearts. And with this, I use this as an enhancement, but this is where Link goes. He will go to this cottage here in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of Hyrule, and meets with the Little Red Riding Hood at the cottage. So Little Red Riding Hood is at her house, and well, this is actually Grandma's house, actually. So she finds out that Grandma's not here, so Link will decide to take her with him. Now, whether or not you take her with you, or you find Granny first, let's say you do. This is the 3 of hearts, and Granny is trapped. Well, if possible, she's trapped on the top of this. So she's on top of this. In order for purple Link, red, green, blue Link to reach her, you'll need a total of 20 hearts. So you go from that. Yeah. So for this example, we would say you'd need those 20 hearts. Sorry. 12 hearts. I made a mistake. So you'll need 12 hearts. You'll need 12 hearts to rescue Granny from the giant's house. So after you rescue her from the giant's house, now this can happen in any order, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. So after you get to Red Riding Hood and you get to Granny, then you go to the wolf at the thieves' hideout. And this is the layout for the wolf. This is the thieves' hideout where you must rescue the big bad wolf. To be continued.